Last time we crossed the border between Morocco and Mauritania.
Yes.
We quickly learned that Mauritanian officials do not like cameras.
Yeah. Yeah.
We drove 7 hours to Nouakchott, the capital city. However, the treacherous road conditions took a toll on our van. Okay guys, it's the next day, and we hit some pretty big potholes yesterday, so I just wanted to inspect the tire. It seems like our new tire is doing pretty good. There's no damage on it, but the problem is, man, that is not good. I'm gonna have to change this tire out. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
This guy just
Yeah. It's not working.
Yeah, this thing is just bending. I bought this in Morocco because we lost ours. It's just bending apart.
Oh! 됐어? It worked?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Thank god, people were helping us.
Yeah.
There were,
You always depend on the locals, right?
yeah. Guys really like local bring us a really better. This, I don't know how to call this one, is way better. It's heavier. Ours is so weak and just ridiculously pointless. Spare tires on. So this is temporary tire we used for a long time. Anyways, we are gonna go to the place so that we can honey 바 빼고 하지?
Yeah.
To get rid of the bar. Okay, it's yeah, spare is done. Just what we need to do is just like raise our spirit today.
What is this mountain of peppers for, baby?
For freezing the stuff. 지근게를 애들 그렇게 먹는다 해서 커피 좀.
And I'm going to work.
일하세요. Mama is coming. Every day we hear that sound, so I thought like some dog got hurt, something like that, but actually not. This mama dog gave a birth. Actually, there's another mama dog gave a birth. Look at this baby. So here the workers say like, it's free, just please take, because there are so many dogs, so many newborn babies. Good morning to the crew. We stay in Nouakchott campsite pretty good. We just recover a little bit about our train energy and then tire change and everything. But Mark is having a little bit of hard time. He said he has the PTSD because of the road condition and tire disaster happened. Are you okay, Hania?
Not okay. I'm nervous. Those roads are horrible.
You can do it. We have been through Russia and Mongolia, and you're the best driver. Today we are gonna head down to the Mauritania National Park. It's close to the Diama, Senegal border. So we are gonna camp there. It takes. I can hear your breathe. It will take 3 hours something, but road condition is not good, so it might take like 4 or 5 hours. But we are gonna drive slow.
You want to take a bite of the puppies?
괜찮아. Bye. Okay guys, we just fill up the gas because our gas is quite empty. It was quite tricky because they don't take the credit card or any cards, only cash. So we found the bank right there, over there. That one worked, but previous bank somehow Korean debit card didn't work. So we were kind of frustrated, and Mark was kind of nervous still for driving because Mauritania is different level. I think it's like you need a more skill in Mauritania than Morocco. So another thing is the when you park your car, there are so many beggars come to you. They are not that aggressive, but they knock on the door and then they ask money, but we didn't have a cash, anything, any coins. So we say sorry and then left. But yeah, it is kind of intense than other places. Well, now we are gonna drive off, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
The green light.
Just want to get out of this town.
Just wanna get out of time. Just be careful the event.
Yeah.
Look at that, side mirror is gone.
Yeah. No need for side mirror.
아 진짜 완전 모래 바람이 많이 분다 도시랑. Is it hard sand? I feel like kind of digging up a little bit.
We're okay.
How do you feel about the driving in the city?
That was crazy. Like the craziest driving I've ever done on this trip.
Oh.
We shouldn't be that shocked because Mauritania is one of the poorest countries in the world, right? But we're just not used to it. So it was, man, that was some nervous driving for sure.
We were so tense, right? Just shrunk right away. Quite shocked, like people are surrounding our car, you know.
Yeah. Actually, we want to film a lot more of it, but
안 돼, 여기 모리타니아
Yeah.
사람들 찍으면 안 된다
they
그랬어.
hate it. And if the cops catch you, then
어.
you might lose your camera. So we're really careful here. It smells like garbage.
어,
So bad.
여기는 지금 그거야. 쓰레기 처리장도 아니다. 그냥 쓰레기 버리는 곳인 것 같아. 우리 영화 들어온 것 같아, 매드맥스. Right? We just get out of the N2 road and then take the local road, kind of small road. It's kind of a shortcut to go to Diama. When we cross the border to Senegal, we are gonna use Diama border because Russia one we heard so many bad things and it's really corrupted and then it'll be hard. So we are taking to this road to the Diama, but today we are gonna park in the national park and tomorrow, a few days later, we are gonna cross to Senegal, right?
The truth is, they're both supposed to be very corrupt, but Diama's a
it's
little bit
better.
less corrupt than Roseau. When we hit the national park, it's going to be all dirt track.
물이다.
Yeah.
야, 이런 데 있었네, 모리타니에. Typically, we got on the dirt road. It's much better than the. Oh, don't kill the bird. So yeah, we are driving dirt road, and it will be continued to the Diama. So in total will be 70, but our destination is 40 kilometer away. So today's not like that long dirt road, I think.
Two Pumbas.
Stop. Oh my god.
What a view of the Pumbas.
Oh my god.
You come right. Oh, there's one right below us too. What the heck is going on?
우리한테 온다. Oh my god, we just see Pumbaa, 4 Pumbaa, right? And then we saw eagle. And what was that other different birds too? It's amazing here.
So cool.
Oh, I really like this place. It's really if you love wild animals, it's just perfect. Love it. Oh, there you go. Oh, baby.
Baby Pumbaa.
Baby. Mama wants to protect, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. 귀여워. 하쿠나 마타타 진짜. 쟤 숨어 있어. 우리 지켜본다. 신기한가 봐. 안 해쳐. 가. 네 궁뎅이만 볼게. 이런 도로를 다시 달리니까 몽골 돌아온 것 같지 않나? 맞지? 근데 몽골 때랑 다르지? TV가 이제 커졌으니까. Right? Road is keep going like this. And look at this. Look at this, guys! Beautiful! 아, 진짜 이쁘잖아.
Wow, there are a lot of flamingos.
그만하는 거야. Oh my god. 아 진짜 이쁘다.
Oh, they're flying. The flamingos are flying. There are thousands of them. Thousands. Not 1,000, but thousands.
Oh my god.
Alright, we gotta get to the campsite.
저희 캠핑장 못 갈 것 같은데? 지금 100m 운전하고 멈추고 100m 운전하고 멈추고 지금 킬로미터가 안 준다 맞죠?
when we come back, the flamingos will probably be gone.
그치 날 뭐지 어느 시즌이 있지 않아? 그러면 그치
That is stunning.
Beautiful sunset today.
Stunning. Alright.
오스카랑 아빠랑 왔으니까 트레킹 나무 봐.
This is our first bush camping experience.
여기도 플랫해 보이는데?
Alright guys, we are here. First time African bush camping. What do you think, Lucy?
It's good.
But I can see a lot of animal activity. Probably domestic animals, but maybe a few boars will walk by while we're here. Oh man, I am excited for this. I smell like what?
Tuna.
Yeah, I smell like tuna.
Tempt.
I had a bit of a tuna
Digestion.
explosion. Is that enough vegetables?
그런가?
Maybe a little bit more.
너무 스킨지했나? 너무 그릇에 같았나?
Yeah, I know it's good.
그리고 젠다말이 군인이 있는데 체크포인트가 있어요. He asked us about the gift, and you shake the hands.
Yeah. Twice.
달라고 하는 것 같은데 뭣도 모르고 손 악수했어. 그러니까 보내줘.
Smells amazing.
나 목이 물렸나? 간지러운데?
물었나? 모기.
It's just like stinging really hard. 한 마리 더 있어.
진짜?
No wonder why. 아파. 따가워. Oh my god. 아우, 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 아우. Alright. 간단한 볶음밥. 맥주가 먹고 싶어. 난 배가 고팠거든. 오. 고생하셨습니다.
Cheers.
Cheers. That?
We're finished, and we got a couple of mosquitoes.
우리 지금 둘 다 땀 흘려. It's a 29.2.
And there's lots of mosquitoes here, so I don't think we'll camp here for a long time. Look at those suckers. Okay, we're gonna just sweat to death here until tomorrow morning, and we're gonna leave.
Mauritania. 모리타니아 떠나서 going to Senegal.
So what are we doing, Lucy?
응? 우리 모기 헌팅, 모스키토 헌팅.
How many mogis have we killed?
More than 10? I think more than 15, I feel like.
I would say about 15.
Yeah.
How many times have we been bitten? I've been bitten now, I would say 7 or 8.
I got bit like 9 times. Yay, hooray.
You ready to enter Senegal?
내가 밑에서 먹는 모스키토.
I know. Welcome to Africa. You want to take down the mojang?
I wanna be mosquito free
Okay. Do you want a coffee or water?
Yeah. A water, please.
There's water.
There's like 3 mosquito in the fan last night.
Really?
A bloody one. I know that one of it sucked my blood.
Oh no. Do you want your coffee?
Oh, windy. Good morning, TV crew. We camped at National Park. It was really peaceful and nice. One bad thing is a mosquito. I woke up several times because I got bit by a lot. My ankle, my finger. So it was quite a hard time. Even we had a mosquito net, somehow I got bit by. I don't get it. Today we are gonna cross the border to Senegal. Unfortunately, we didn't see Mauritania that much. I think when we come back from Senegal, we are gonna stay in Mauritania and then look a little bit more. And also we are gonna stay in National Park more days. Okay, we are gonna go to Senegal and then we are gonna have a new year in Senegal. The border is kind of famous for bribery and corruptions. We heard we have to pay bribery money. So yeah, just breathe in and then be ready. And then just like go to the border and smile and you're joking, right? Like that kind of mentality. So yeah. I'm ready. Oh. If you watch our video still, hit the like button. If you see this video first, please subscribe our channel, and it always give us the power to create more content. Everyone is watching our video. I really appreciate it. So if you want to support our contents and journey, you can click our channel membership or Patreon, so you can have the secret video, secret writing, and secret photo. And also you're gonna have the badge too. Badge is quite cute. We made it. Last one before we end this video, I wanna do special thanks to our membership Patreon members. Names will be go up, and I will see you in Senegal soon. Bye bye.
Okay, you stay mogi free, okay? Alright.
How's my hair?
Your hair looks amazing.
또 이상하다. 또 이상하지?
Honey, it's beautiful. Beautiful. You remember Pumbaa?